Picture the scenario that you come home from work, getting ready to cook food, and all of a sudden the stove has stopped working. Well, what is required of a landlord, if you're renting, to take care of that repair? California says that there is reasonable time to effect repairs in a property for something that is required or is a habitability requirement. A stove or something to cook food is that requirement. Now, reasonable standard varies. Our rule of thumb is that there are 3 business days to effect the repair. And after that point in time, you can then discuss rent credits because obviously this is impacting the tenant's ability to use the home.